Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Bigyan ko lang po kayo ng quick update dito kay Sofronio Vasquez bago ang kanyang pinaka-inaabangan na performance or live concert dito sa Sacramento sa California. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At update po dito kay Sofronio Vasquez kung saan na po ba ngayon itong si Sofronio. Well, base dito sa isang post sa social media is nasa Los Angeles sa California po si Sofronio Vasquez. At tumatin siya dito ng isang birthday ng kanyang kaibigan na si Chard Ocampo. So, nasa Los Angeles po itong si Sofronio Vasquez ngayong araw bago siya tumulak papunta dito sa Sacramento, California dahil dalawang tulog na lang po ay performance na ni Sofronio Vasquez. So most probably ay araw po ito ng linggo sa 9 AM and as usual po mga kapolitika, mag-update po ako sa inyo from time to time kung meron po tayong makuha mga lead or mga videos ay agad-agad na i-update ko po kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. So meron po palang tanong doon sa sa picture ni Sofronio Vasquez at ni Bill Gates or ni Billy Boy. So yung kuha po na yun is, di ba nag-perform si Sofronio dito sa Constil para sa isang charity institution sa Arizona, ay andun po itong si Bill Gates or itong si Billy Boy dahil si Bill Gates ay meron po siyang mga foundation or meron siyang mga charitable works. So isa na po dito itong Constil dito sa Arizona para sa mga pasyente na may cancer. So kaya andun po si Bill Gates. Kasi merong mga nagtatanong doon sa comment section paano daw na-meet ni Sofronio itong world's richest na si Bill Gates. So meron yung event doon sa isang charitable institution sa Arizona na kung saan is present itong si Bill Gates dahil meron siyang mga charitable works. Dahil nga itong si Bill Gates ay isa sa mga pinakamayamang tao sa buong mundo. At the same time, meron rin po siyang mga foundations. Knowingly itong Melinda and Bill Gates Foundation, mga kapolitika na kung saan is tumutulong. So kasama po ito kung kaya andun si Bill Gates sa Constil sa Arizona at na-timingan na andun rin po nag-perform itong si Sofronio Vasquez. Okay? So yun po ang paliwanag bakit nag-meet or nakatagpo ni Sofronio itong world's richest na si Bill Gates. Okay? Samantala atin pong panonoodin itong video doon sa Metro Manila International Film Festival na kung saan is dinaluhan ng mga malaking artista at kasama na po dito itong si Sofronio Vasquez na nagtanghal bilang opener at closer doon sa nasabing event sa Beverly Hilton sa California. Mga kapolitika, excited na ba kayo sa maging performance ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa Sacramento sa California sa mga susunod na araw? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta at nagsusubaybay dito sa ating YouTube channel.
The world will witness an unforgettable night at the Manila International Film Festival Tribute Gala, held at the Beverly Hilton Hotel in California. Among the performers is none other than Sofronio Vasquez, a name that's been making waves in the music industry. But he won't be taking the stage alone. He'll be performing alongside Grammy-nominated artist Deborah Cox and renowned Filipino-American music director Troy Lareta. This is more than just another performance. This is a defining moment in Sofronio's career, one that could open doors to international recognition. But why is this event such a big deal? And what does this mean for Sofronio's future? Let's break it all down. The Manila International Film Festival, MIFF, isn't just another film festival. It's a grand celebration of Filipino talent in cinema and entertainment, bringing together some of the biggest names in film and music from around the world. Being invited to perform at MIFF means you're not just a rising star. You're an artist with a global presence. For Sofronio, this is an opportunity to showcase his voice on an international stage in front of industry elites, and this caliber is a huge opportunity for Sofronio. The exposure, the connections, this could be the push he needs to break into the international scene. Now, let's talk about Troy Lareta. If you haven't heard of him, you've definitely heard his work. Troy is a Filipino-American music director and producer who has worked with some of the biggest names in the industry, Ariana Grande, David Foster, and Stevie Wonder, just to name a few. He's one of the most respected names in the business, and the fact that he's collaborating with Sofronio, that's huge. It means industry insiders are recognizing Sofronio's potential. Could this be a sign that more collaborations with global artists are on the horizon? Performing with Grammy-nominated and globally renowned artists puts Sofronio in a different league. This is no longer just about the Philippines. This is about global recognition. Could this lead to more international invitations? Is Sofronio on the path to a major record deal? What happens after MIFF? These are the questions every fan is asking right now. If Sofronio delivers a powerful performance, this could be the start of something much bigger. More doors could open, more collaborations could happen, and before we know it, he could be the next Filipino artist dominating the global charts. So what do you think? Will this performance be the game changer for Sofronio Vasquez? Will we see him in more global stages working with even bigger artists in the near future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future updates on Sofronio and other rising Filipino stars.